Here we have a worksheet as part of our animals theme unit, and this is looking at insects and ants specifically. It says ants. Would you find ants in these places? Write P for probably, write M for maybe, write N for no. Would you find ants at a picnic? Probably, maybe, or no? I'm going to say maybe. Would you find ants in these places, like in your shoe? Probably, maybe, or no? I'm going to say maybe. Would you find ants at the North Pole? Probably, maybe, or no? I think it's going to be no on that one. Would you find ants in a garden? Probably, maybe, or no? In a garden? Probably. I'll put P for probably. M for maybe, N for no, P for probably. Would you find ants in the freezer? Probably, maybe, or no? I think that's a no. Would you find ants in the forest? Probably, maybe, or no? I think we'll put P for probably. Would you find ants in your desk? Probably, maybe, or no? I think we could say maybe. Would you find ants on the kitchen table? Probably, maybe, or no? I think I might say maybe. In your desk on the kitchen, you might say no as well. That might be another option. Let's take a look at this next part down here. It says, how many altogether? Fill in the numbers. Antennas. Well, that's on top of its head. There's one, two antennae. Body parts. Well, it's an insect, so I know it's going to have 1, 2, 3. 3 body parts is what makes an insect. Legs. Well, again, I know it's an insect, so it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. An insect has 3 body parts and 6 legs. It might have antennae or might not. All right, now we've got 2 ants, so everything's going to double. How many antennae? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many body parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 4 antennae for 2 ants, 6 body parts for the 2 ants together, and 12 legs is what the 2 ants have in total. All right, here we have page 2 of our ants worksheet package. Ask this question. You find an ant on your sandwich. What do you do? What would you do if you found an ant on your sandwich? You've probably got lots of good answers like wipe it off or flick it off. I don't think you'd eat your sandwich with it on, although you can eat ants. I know of an ant recipe that's green ants with ice cream in Australia. I think what we'll do is we'll put flick it off. So it's a sentence, start with a capital. F-L-I-C-K, little finger space. I-T for the word it, little finger space. O-double-F for the word off, and a period to end. You find an ant on your sandwich, what do you do? Flick it off. Here's the next question. You find an ant in your juice. What do you do? Oh, you're having a glass of orange juice and there's an ant floating around in it. What do you do? Did you drink your juice? Would you try and scoop the ant out and then drink the juice? Or would you pour out the juice and just not have it? Well, those might work as answers. I'm going to put pour out the juice. Start of a sentence with a capital letter, small letters the rest of the way through, little finger space, and I've got the words pour out, another finger space, the finger space, juice. I think that's what I would do, just so I wouldn't get any ant germs. But maybe you just pull the ant out and drink your juice anyways, or maybe you drink the juice with the ant in it. A little protein. You find an ant in your juice, what do you do? Pour out the juice. This part here says, which ant is different? They all look the same at the beginning. You have to look very carefully. Look very carefully at each ant. Each one is different. It's just a small little tiny difference. Can you see it? We're going to circle the ant that's different. You think it's this one right here? You'd be right. This ant only has one antenna. All the rest have the two antennae that they should have. This is the one that's different. Okay, on this side it says, put an O around the first ant. All right, they're walking this way, so first ant gets an O around him. Draw a box around the last ant. Okay, last ant is at the end of the line. We need to draw a box around him. X on the middle ant. All right, so the middle ant, right in the middle, make an X on him. It says, how many ants do you think could fit on a penny? Here's our ant here. Here's the penny. These are really tiny ants. It's a little mark like that. So let's see, if I make a little mark, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I can squeeze one over here, 15, I'm going to say about, you can get one more there, 16, I'm going to say about 16 ants, but you might come up with a different answer. Notice how I did that? I just made a little line with my marker about the same size as the ant shown here. And then I just made my lines on the penny and counted as I went. It says, circle the 4 best ant words. These are words that would talk about it being an ant. Let's see, probably all of them fit, but we're going to circle only 4. Answer, small. Yeah, it's true. Cute? I don't know. They're an insect. Yes. Icky? Depends. I don't think they're icky. They're busy. Yeah, they do work hard. Strong. Yeah, supposedly they can lift 10 times their weight. They're very strong. Quick. I guess they could be. Brave. I don't know. I guess I've seen ants fight wasps and things. Maybe they're brave. Any of these answers could work. There's no right or wrong answer. It's really just up to you and what you feel. But you can only circle 4. Me, I'm going to say small. Definitely an insect. Busy. And I'm going to say strong. But you might choose cute if you think ants are cute, or you might choose icky if you think the opposite, that they're not cute, they're icky and gross. You might choose quick if you think they're fast. You might choose brave. But these are the 4 I'm choosing. Small, insect, busy, and strong. And here's our 3rd page on ants. It says, help elven ant collect as many crumbs as he can on his way back to the anthill. Draw a path. Try to get at least 15 crumbs. So here's elven ant. Here's his anthill. All these little dots here are crumbs. We wanted to get him to do a pathway in which he collects at least 15 crumbs. So we're not looking for the fastest way. We're looking for the way we can get the most crumbs. Let's see, we'll start here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and into the anthill he goes. And you see I didn't double back where I had to turn around. I was able to go in just one direction, and I got lots and lots of crumbs. It says, how many crumbs did Alvin get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Got at least 22, I think. And that's our worksheet package on ants.